Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2015 GMC Yukon. Connecting the Bluetooth is no problem, as there are clear steps in the electronic menu for connecting your phone. Other models make this harder to complete. Checking the transmission fluid level is easy to do, as the dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not every model includes this dipstick. The fog light is easy to access and change, as you only have to reach behind the housing for access to the bulb. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You will need to remove Torx bolts and a panel in order to access the taillights. The tools necessary may not be readily available for repair. Changing the wiper blades will be difficult to do, as you will need to use tools to complete additional steps to remove the blades. Other models make this access much easier. To change the spare tire, you will have to lower it from under the vehicle. The lowering mechanism can grow rusted to the vehicle and be difficult to turn. Overall, the 2015 GMC Yukon is a moderately difficult vehicle to maintain, but shouldn't be too hard for someone experienced in vehicle maintenance.